how to disintegrate a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and then again how to assemble it. So let's start. This is a solved Rubik's Cube, a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and now what we are going to do is we are going to disintegrate it. We are going to take apart all the parts of this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So when we take away all the parts, this is what we are left with. So these are the centerpieces: white, orange, red, blue and green, and these cannot be disintegrated. These are fixed. This cannot be plucked out. So what we know from this is, we know this piece, this portion will always have an orange and a white piece. This piece will always have a white, orange and a blue. So let's start. Start with any of the pieces. Let's say start with any of the, I start with this one. This is blue and orange. So what I'll do is I will put this blue and orange like this. Now look for all the other orange or blue pieces, because we want to start with this side first. Any other blue or orange? So this is one piece that we got. Now we are going to fix it. Like this. So now we have three pieces fixed. Now we will look for orange, blue and a white piece. This is the orange, blue and a white piece. Now we have this much done. Now we will have this piece. This will be blue and a yellow piece. I pick the blue and the yellow piece and I have fixed it like this. Now we will have this piece. So it should have white and blue. Pick the white and blue piece and fix it. Fix it like this. Now this place should have a blue and a red. So start from the middle piece, because then it will be easy to fix all the other pieces, otherwise you have to keep moving all the pieces. So blue and red. Where is the blue and the red piece? This is a blue and a red piece. So this is how I fix this piece also. Now we will fix this one. This one should have a white, red and a blue piece. White, red and blue. So keeping the blue up, white towards right, and I can easily fix this. Now I'll go for this one. This one, it should have blue, orange and a red. Where is blue, orange and red? Sorry, yellow, orange. Oh, sorry, it is yellow. Yeah, yellow, blue and red. And this is how we will fix it. Now our first layer is done. So hold it like this. Now we'll go for this one, this piece. This is orange, a yellow piece. This is orange and a yellow piece, like this. Now this needs to have a white and an orange piece. This is a white and orange piece. White towards left, orange towards right. I have fixed this also. Now we'll move to this side. So we will fix it layer by layer. Now the next piece we are going to do is white and red. So this is white, this is red. Now we'll move towards the last piece in the middle layer, and that is yellow and red. This is yellow. Now our two layers are done. Only the top layer is remaining. We'll start from any edge piece, any of the edge piece. So let's start from green and yellow. Green and yellow. Now slightly move the middle layer and make the shape like this, or you can make it like this. So this space should be there so that we can move the corner pieces also easily. Now what we need is a red or a yellow and a green piece. So this is red, yellow and a green piece. Now this is how it will be fixed. Now we will go for this piece, this one. So we slightly move the other pieces towards the right, and then find the piece. What is the next piece? It is orange, yellow and green. This is the orange, yellow and green. Now I'll go for this piece. This is orange and green. For it also move these other layers or the other side, tilt it slightly, and then this is also fixed. What we are left with is 4 pieces. We'll start from this one, the middle piece, the edge piece, and it is a green and a red. Now our last 3 pieces are remaining for this. slightly move this piece, move the top layer in this position, and then go for any of the corner pieces. So I'm going for this one. So this place should have a white, a red, and a green piece. So again, move it slightly like this, and this is the piece that I want to fit in, and this is how you do it. Now only two pieces are left. I'll go for the middle one, that is a white and a green. Again, move the top layer slightly like this, and fit in this piece. Only the last piece is remaining, so move this top layer like this so that we have enough space to fit this part of the piece. And this is how the whole cube is.